In this lesson, we're going to compare decimals. So if we have a problem like this that says compare 0.7 and 0.5, which sign makes the statement true? And here we have 0.5 question mark 0.7. So you need to figure out if it's greater than, less than, or equal to. So we could use models to help you. So here we have a model, and we could see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bars here. And how many are filled in? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 10 bars, but how many are filled in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can see that 5 of the 10 columns are shaded. This means 5 out of 10, or 5/10. And that is the same as 0.5. Then for this side, we can see that 7 of the 10 columns are shaded. This means 7 out of 10, or 7/10. That is the same as 0.7. So less of the model showing 0.5 is shaded. So 0.5 is less than 0.7. So we use the less than sign. So the final answer here, 0.5 is less than 0.7. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with doing that. You're probably one explanation away from understanding it. As well, if you need more help, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in there, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's a link there that you could click on in the ebook to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.